In this video, I'm going to explain to you how plural works in French, and I'm going to do it simply and quickly for you. Salut, I'm Marie. I'm a French native teacher and I help French learners to understand and use the French language. If you are serious about learning French, join us on the French Club to know more about how to learn French and get notified of each new videos and workshops. Now, the plural in French is simple. You just need to add an S to nouns when you want to refer to more than one. Une maison, deux maisons, with an S. Une fille, deux filles, with an S. Une chance, deux chances, with an S. You don't even have to pronounce the S since it is a consonant at the end of a word, unless the word after it begins with a vowel. In that case, you will do what we call une liaison, and you will drag the S sound, transform it into a Z sound to the beginning of the next word. For example, des maisons adorables. Des maisons adorables. Can you hear the Z? Des maisons adorables. As you might see on this example, adjectives do take an S2 when the noun they are associated with is plural. Une maison jaune, no S's. Des maisons jaunes. Jaune takes an S2. Une belle fille, des belles filles, with an S everywhere. Une grande chance, des grandes chances. S's everywhere. It's also the case for the article, so the little word before the noun. Un ou une becomes des in the plural. Le ou la becomes les in the plural. That's simple enough. Following? Good, because you now know the rules for 99% of all French plurals. The 1% left are exceptions, because what would French be without its beautiful exceptions, right? The most notorious exceptions are the ones I call the 7 ouf. 7 ouf. Bijou, caillou, chou, genou, hibou, joujou, pou. Now, those 7 nouns don't take an S at the plural, but they take an X. It doesn't change the pronunciation in any way, but be careful when you're writing them down. The S is also replaced by an X in the case of most words ending with AU, EAU, or EU. So O, O, and E, with the exception of bleu and a few rare ones. Bleu takes an S, but nouveau takes an X. Words ending in S and X don't take anything, they already have enough on their plate. There aren't a lot of them anyway. But un fils stays des fils. I kept the most troublesome for the end. Words ending in AL, so al, usually have a plural in O. Un cheval, des chevaux. Un journal, des journaux. If you're just beginning to learn French, watching more French lessons on YouTube might not be what you need to progress in French. I encourage you to take a look at my book, How to Learn French on Your Own, where you will learn how you can learn French on your own. But if you are sure that more lessons is what you need, that you have a plan and a strategy already, you can binge watch more lessons by clicking on this playlist. Salut!